better to the fact that I feel kind of. I've been trying to record this. I really did, but I actually haven't been doing this because last time I was trying to record something else, it decided to be a little joke to me. So I was like, why not? I'm gonna see if this works. So hello guys, my name is Static, and yeah, let's just go. Let's just see if everything else is good. So what is even happening? I'm scared. Help. Okay, there we go. I did something, but I don't know what I did. So I have no items. This sucks. Like, can I please go home? Let's see. My sweet lonely wolf loves to eat meat. Okay, love it. Just love it. I'm just gonna save because I'm just gonna die if I do this. Can I go off screen? No, I can't go off screen. This sucks. But let's go here and what is this? I see something. I'm just guessing at something. Okay, guys. No, I'm not really. I'm actually really mad. But hey, I'm just gonna play this cute little game. This must be annoying. So I'm just gonna move it to the side. Anyway, I'm just clicking on the street stuff because you never know where game hides. This is a very long walk. Can I one? Oh yes, I can one. That's right, suckers. I'm going up here. Okay, you know what? Maybe I should go down here. Hello. Oh, there's a person. Oof! Everyone, get inside and lock your doors. You look familiar, but I bet. I got one. I feel lonely. He is lonely. This is sad. Welcome to Frosting, a friendly town for rabbits. That's my house. Someone's watching from the side of the window. Oh dear. Can I like... Hey, lady! Okay. Is my name a lady? I have no idea my name is. I can't move! Help! Help! I really can't move. Help me. Help me. Help me. Okay. I did it. My keys are getting stuck. I can't talk to this person. This is... Okay, my keys are scaring me. I did something. I don't know what it did. I don't. Okay, I'm back here. What is happening? Okay. Everything's freaking PS. That's what. Okay, let's try this bloody again. Okay. I'm just gonna exit it out. Do it to be. So excuse me. You know what? Maybe I should. I don't even have a webcam. Like I do, but it's on my other computer, and I'm not having time for this. I don't feel it. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm just gonna put an image of something for y'all to look at because everything's. Let's just go to pictures. Yes. Totally. This people would like my. Okay, show off photos. Do it. Show off photos. You're not showing off photos, you jerkwad. Okay, so I'm going over here. Right here you go. Just look. I'm sorry, it's blurry. It's just blurry. This is like my background right now. Welcome to this blurry neighborhood where all your heart's desires. Yes. For your desires. You can live here anytime if you want, and nobody will recognize you. Did I cry? Be there. Nobody will recognize you because it's so blurry. I'm not okay. Okay, I'm back here. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's not there. Okay, wait. Okay, there we go. Hi guys, I'm back. I don't know what happened, but that's okay. That's okay. That is really okay. I am going down here so I can scream and die inside. Wee! Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry if I burst your. Okay, go ahead. Go sit on your doorstep. No one cares. Can I talk to you? I need friends. I really do. You won't get past me, Wolf. I'm not going to let you eat any of my friends. Okay, you know what? You do you, and I'm going up here because I don't give a frick about you, apparently. Let's go up here. I just read this out there. Okay, fine. Let's just go down here because nobody wants me in the wilderness anyway. I'm just a lonely wolf, and I feel very angry. Locked. Okay, fine. Locked. What did I do? No. What did I do? You know what? Forget. I'm just going down there and. I don't know what I did. I'm so sorry, guys. I really am. I'm sorry for this mouse too. Okay, blah 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 blah. Go inside your door. I don't care anymore. Just go. I don't care anymore about you. Okay, let's just push. Okay. You know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna save because if I figure out how to save. Okay, I'm just gonna save right here because saving is freaking amazing. Okay. So okay. S is for saving. Gotta remember that. Locked. Buy your food here. Okay, thank you. Okay. Locked. They go to window. Nice. Folks like you are a danger to the sound. We will let you through. And he's white. Scram cut first, please. I feel so discriminated. Okay. I don't know about all guys, but I really want to cry. Oh boy! Okay, let's do this before I snap and kill someone. I won't actually kill someone. I'm just gonna play some Minecraft and cry inside. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna test all the freaking buttons to see why it's doing this. Or maybe it does this because it's big and I don't want to be. Okay, I'm gonna talk to these guys. I feel so sorry, you're kind of. Okay, at least they said sorry. At least they say sorry. Or else I'm just gonna be sad all my life because I'm just a lonely wolf trying to not cry. I am very emotional. I know. Oh, that's very cute. Okay, let's just go. Hey, you legend wolf! How dare you wander into our town and scare our children? Question mark. You best stay away from now on. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Okay, this is vacate. Empty. I'm gonna live here from now on because I'm gonna cry. 10 months later. I mean 2 months later. I'm sorry, I misread it. Hungry. I want food. I want to stop this computer. I won't, but I will. Not very comfortable. Get a comfortable with your chair. Get it comfortable. Get it comfortable. Get it. Okay, let's get into the cut. Empty. Work. It's empty. Do I have to eat some rabbits? I don't want to eat rabbits. Like, you're rude, but I understand they're scared. They'd be scared. They'd be scared. Thanks for keeping me warm, fireplace. Wear something warm? Yeah, sure, let's do this. Where this? There you go. It's closed, okay. Hot springs are closed. What a romantic place for closed reservations. Weird! What's over here? The foxes live that way. Is that bad? I want to go that way. Nope, okay, it's to the rabbit town we go. Hey, buddy. let's go in here. I want this, I want this, I want this, I want everything. Give me 1 cup of noodles. Ah, shoot, my addiction hits again. Okay, bye. Just take it and get out of here. Sorry. Oh, it's so sad. Hey, Wolf, why are you always coming here? Food. This is just mean! This is just really mean! My gosh! Why don't you just starve or die? So rude! I bought like 8 noodles. Leave me alone. That's all my money I have. I'm broke. Just don't take my lunch money. You haven't snapped at each and every one yet, but that doesn't mean you're not going there too. One day you will, and I'll be here to stop you. I want to eat everyone. If you're not eat here to eat us, then we'll go back to where we come from. But the elephant. Ugh, I don't care. See, okay. Where you go? As long as you just stop coming here and buy food from Daddy. If you ever need what? Doesn't he need currency? Why are you scared? Okay. If you ever lay a pot of him, I won't forgive you. Don't follow me. Don't you dare follow me. That can be weird. Oh, okay. Thank gosh, you're not following me. That's good. I'm just going back to my place. I don't feel welcome here. No one needs you 3 to 4, whatever you guys are. It's empty. I'm your friends. I need friends. I like limits, so I'm just gonna eat some food. Okay, let's go over here and do this. Yes. I'm so hungry. Oh, look who's here to save us. Save them. Well, I don't want to save you because you are jerkwad. Save me. I don't want to save you. Ah, wolf. I'm sorry, did I get escape? What the heck? I'm sorry for barging in. Please don't hurt me. Okay. Really? You want to eat me? After I said. Wait a minute. Are you different? I won't. Oh my goodness. If Fox was chasing me, I was worried I couldn't make it back home to your door so long. So it's okay. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for not teasing me. I knew a wolf would have to come out here, but I didn't expect it to be like this. Did you want to go home? What, huh? You mean you scare off this fox for me? Sure, if you want. Wow, even though you're a wolf, but you're super nice. Thank you. I didn't smudge it. Oh, no, it's a different person. I didn't notice. It's because of the hat. It's because of the hat. What's yours? Treat. Oh, I treat. Please help me get back home. I wonder where that fox is sitting. I'm just going over here. Okay, I'm pretty sure I might get a check. Oh. Yar. What? A wolf! You stole my furry. I won't forget about this. You really scared her off. Thanks, Tree. Sure, no problem. I'd like you to pay you somehow. Is there anything I can do? No, that's okay. I didn't do anything. Anything worth being paid for. But you totally helped me out. I'm not going to leave until I do something for you intended. Your cabin is so cute. I like your shirt. It's not very comfortable. There's no fire. Aren't you cold? Not really. I'm sure you look so skinny. You can keep warm with no body fat. There's no food in here. Yeah. Treat, I know what I can do to you. Well, I'm going to buy you a nice dinner. You like it? I've never had it before. You gotta try it. It's my favorite. That's why I made to make it for you. Plus, you have enough time to eat later. I'm sorry for the mouse. You really don't have to. I want to, so just let me do this one thing, okay? I've got all the ingredients of my house. Let's go together. I don't wanna. I might get attacked. Okay, but fine. I guess I'll be going. Can I go into my house again? I'm sorry. I don't wanna. I think I forgot something. It's my chair. at your house? This is my question. Wait! Where am I? I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm literally... My place doesn't go too far from here. Just follow this path all the way to the end. That's where my house is. Okay. Oh, there's no wash or anything. We could go whatever place you want. Let's just run because I don't want to die. I just don't feel safe. I really don't. I've been discriminated here. So, oh dear, Lordy. What? Maybe we could just sneak. Listen, I can do this. Oh, is your name Andy by chance? Can I be in the hot spring? Oh no, I'm scared. I actually. What are you doing over here? Trying to sneak into our hot springs? Have you opened yet? I've always wanted to go since before even moving. Jojo says it's super nice. Sorry, we are still in the middle of the preparations. We will be open again. Why does it have to be so long? Our bath is the only thing I love more than warm meals. It sounds nice. You think so too? Let's go sometime and sometime. If it's okay. Oh, that's Wolf still here. Surprised she hasn't eaten anyone yet. Treat is actually nice. I don't think she'll ever eat anyone. That's right, I wouldn't. Well, the fact that you've lived here peacefully for some time now is proof enough for me. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I've been listening to this. I'm sorry, okay. Well, the fact that you've lived here peacefully for some time now is proof enough for me. How about you, Eddie? If you trust her, then I do as well. We apologize for mistrusting you. It's okay, I don't blame you. Rabbits are easily sane. They can't help themselves to when they see a wolf lying around. Not that some advice are any braver. I'm just glad more people are actually making their hearts feel good. Yeah. Can I go? I thought your house was just... Oh, is this your house? Okay, this is your house. I'm sorry. I got crusted. Your room is so pink! I shouldn't be this. Okay. Anyway, got the curry powder, versus the carrots! It looks like I'm out of rice. Gosh darn it! I do. Okay, well, you don't have to do this. You can just forget the bread rice. Are you kidding me? No, wait. I just have to wait till you soon. Why would you buy me food? Because I want to feed you, silly! I only want. I'm going to need to buy you guys either way, so don't feel bad. You're persistent. That's right, I said I made you curry. So I'm definitely going to make you some sweet, delicious curry. Now let's go. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go. Okay, first to the clementine. I'm not even, I'm just frightened. Go in there because I'm scared. Whoa! Hey, that's okay, she may be a wolf, but a treat is actually nice. You're lying. There's no such thing as a nice wolf. They're all horrible nonsense. But she really is nice. She saved me from a fox. What if she wants to hurt herself? She's just tricking you. You better watch out or you could cheat. I shouldn't have bothered him. Treats, you didn't do anything wrong. Let's just go, okay? Why do you sound so... Are you okay? Why do you sound so hyper? Because I can be! Mochi, what are you doing? What are you doing bringing that wolf here and here? Shopping, of course, I'm out of ice. Can I buy some? It's not going to the roof, is it? Her name is Treat. She saved me from a fox today. I'm making curry to repay her from her kindness. What you can't. When you feed wolves, they just stick around even longer. You don't want to live in a town full of wolves, don't you? No, but this one's nice. Even though she looks so hungry, she once tried to eat me up. You still should have fed wolves. But your cousin would get mad at me if I denied you service. Here's the rice, kiddo. Thanks, Daddy. I told you to do you instead of me a solid, okay? Okay, bye. Love you. Hey, Mochi. What is it? Are you finally getting excited for the curry? What? No, I just need to ask you. Are you doing all this without bidding? Huh? Like I said, I want to repay you. But I barely did anything. You don't like the curry, don't you? Even though I promised it would be really good. This isn't the problem. Oh, I know what we need. Beans! I can't believe I nearly thought. We could probably buy some off the spices. Let's bust out of here. What? To reach the fox's live? Wow, that's true. You're right fast, but I'm a little scared. But you'll need to protect me, okay? Okay, time to go into the dead zone! Are you okay? Oh, yeah. You'll protect me, right? I have nothing to worry. Okay, let's just go. Whee! I want the meat. I'm the maker. I want to get by a train. Let me get hit by a train, please. I want to get hit by a train. Fine. Okay. The foxy. Foxy did. The right was head to me fainted out. Okay. Welcome to. Wait! I know you! It's a fox that treats me! I was hoping we were just right to her. He! So, wait, I'm her? I mean, he! I'm still keeping this force. He! So, you make it backwards if I fully me, right? Okay. You're making curry, or just says you sell meat here. Well, I don't know what to do. I figured. You wanna buy meat here? What's wrong with you? Just eat the rabbit. I wouldn't know how to make curry on my own. I need her help. Even though you bought so much, you're still giving a practical answer like that. I'm her! Well, you could buy a chicken at a little convenience store over there. Can't believe you'd rather buy a chicken than gobble up the breast meat behind you. But what is? Is chickens also humans? If so, I want to see one. I didn't know you had a store. I would have come in sooner. Eh? This is your first time going here? I thought for sure you'd be chummy with these guys, considering you're all predators. No way. Whoa, so now foxes are not all buddy-buddy. Just because we have similar tastes. How stupid. The only reason why I'm not afraid of her right now is because I've got backup. This is our turf. Treat, let's just hurry up and go find what we need so we can get out of here. Shh. Can I just say hi to everyone? So, you caught a rabbit. Caught a rabbit and I made a fun with that. I actually didn't expect to say rabbit. Okay, I'm sorry. Rabbit in our face. I'm so sorry. Yes, cut down the man and more hostile. Oh dear. Gee, I don't like this. What's this here? I only came here to bite meat. The curry will make you together. Hey, saving the rabbit for another day. That's to be nice having so much to eat. Don't you know how hungry you are? Oh, Papa. Don't miss Lila. You've got plenty to eat. And just always crave little rabbit meat. Why do you think I agreed to move here with you? This place was built on the principle that living next to the town of rabbits guarantees great meat meals. In other words, you're all easy. Haha, spot on. I like you, Wolfie. What are you doing, Tree? Don't make friends with them. Hey, I'd like having friends, okay? I've never had friends. Besides you, I guess. Can I have... Just trash. Okay. Please, let's just buy some meat. Yeah, right? I can't pay for it. I bought all the meat. I didn't expect you to come, okay? How should I know? I just want to buy some soup noodles because I like noodles. Oh, I just buy it for you then. Sorry, thanks. Our rabbits come again here to buy meat. Freaking weird. I know it's weird. Don't like what? fun of me. Well, here you go. I like this. This is my hairstyle, basically. Just took out the ears, but it actually yellow. Thank goodness. Now we could leave. Remember what I said about I love feet? I'm gonna look at my Snow Bunny. Loves to help people. Also loves more meals. Huh. It's weird. Okay, Treat loves to eat meat. That's basically it. That's basically me. Okay, let's just go. We have to eat everything now. Oh, that's right. Let's head back to your house so we can start cooking. Whee! This is the way to the church, isn't it? You're not going to take you guys over the mountain, are you? No, sorry. You can go back. I'm sorry. I've been apologizing. You don't have to apologize. I was just wondering why you started to head this way. Do you ever think about going somewhere far away? Yes! Every freaking time I come to school, I'm like, man, I do wish I could go to the nether. Okay. What? I just moved here, silly. Fun of me is where I came from, silly. You're right. I forgot I asked. Real. Hey, good to by a tree. Freeze! No! Okay. Okay. Let's go to here. Mochi! See? Same thing. Oh. Okay. What do you mean, what's up? Daddy said you were trying to feed a wolf. What are you thinking? I was just thinking since you saved me at all. You know, I'm kind of tired of explaining it. Everyone keeps acting like Treats is a bad news just because she's a wolf. But you're wrong. So let's go, Treat. We've got curry to make. Hold it. You know, I might not care if you get eaten up. But what about your family? You can't endanger the whole town by letting a wolf roam around. You never think about anyone about yourself. Stop acting like a selfish child. Hey, you can't just say that. What? It's the truth. No, it isn't. She just wanted to make curry together. She even followed me into the fox's place to buy meat for it. She did what? So don't call her selfish. We're going to go make curry now. Bye. See ya, Juju. Oh dear, have you heard? Juju was super bad. I wonder how I could make it up to her. I'm sorry I was rude to her. I didn't like what she was saying to you. After all, you're my first friend. No problem. I mean, no problem. No, I'm happy you defended me. Thanks, you Treat. Yeah. I'm glad we can make up friends. Even though you're a wolf, you've been nice to me all day. Could you stop saying that? Huh? Say what? Could you even say, even though you're a wolf, you try to compliment me? Doesn't that assume wolves are supposed to be bad? No. It's just that I think, it's not what it's just it's not that I think all wolves are bad. It's just, I've always thought they can't resist to eating buddies like me. But that's the problem. Huh? But normally that's how it is, right? It's just nature. I know. I just don't want anyone to think I'm bad. The wolves are bad. I really hate scaring everyone. Hey, let's go inside. We've been running around in the corner inside. I didn't know how you felt at all. I hope this curry makes up for everything. Oh, it's so cute. I'm really sorry. It's just so cute. I'm sorry. It's so cute. Like, this is like everything's so cute, okay? And I just didn't like how the rabbits was just treating her because she just seemed so sad and she just needed a huggle. Okay. How did you end up living here? I've never got to ask you before. I went away from my pack. It's not that I was trying to leave for good, but then an avalanche blocked the way home. Why did you run away? I was selfish. There were holes I just couldn't follow, so it doesn't matter. I've been stuck. I didn't know what to do, so I moved in here. If the real owner ever shows up, I probably get kicked out. If rules are bad, I try to be good will change the fact if I really am bad, then I deserve all this. I just want to be good. If it's a recipe thing, I think you're good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I flagged, and I'm sorry. I don't mean to do this. It's just it gets in the way of my voice, and I'm sorry for doing this. Oh dear. Okay. Like. Oh dear. I don't like phlegm. Okay, that's support. I think that everyone deserves a meal or a meal with a friend, whether they're a wolf, or a bunny, or a fox, or whatever. And a huggle. You forgot the huggle. Forgot the huggle. Forgot the huggle. I get the curry ready, and we can finally eat it together. You'll feel a lot better after this. I promise. Oh dear, I keep forgetting about that. I'll be back again tomorrow, okay? I want to make another batch of curry to share with all the foxes. I think they like that. You really want to do that for them? Yeah, you convinced me. Everyone should be giving a chance no matter what they are. Plus, if it's something nice to give them for food, maybe they won't chase us around anymore. Maybe we can all be friends. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so too. See you tomorrow. To be continued. What? That was beautiful. That was really beautiful. And I can't wait to read it like later. But right now my time limit is up because this is my brother's computer. So I'm sorry. I didn't expect the proof. So have a good day.